Fuck. Rest in peace, M3 E90. I might need a new engine now. We still don't quite know where all the oil came from because there's no hole in the engine, at least here on the upper side.
This is Alu, this is from Kulm.
So yeah, really unfortunate, but the E90 will come back stronger, I hope at least. Well, yeah, the rumors are true. My E90 M3 is finally back alive. I might look completely tired, and that might be because I was just sleeping for 1.5 hours. But let me start from the beginning, and I honestly don't even know. I don't even know where the beginning is because it is currently 4 a.m. in the morning. The last 4 days have been amazing for money. And even better for my E90 M3. I don't even know where to start. The car broke down 10 months ago. You saw it in the edit. Over the last 10 months, we had some amazing issues getting some of the parts. And then a few weeks ago, Mani had everything together. He assembled the engine. That was not even the hardest part. The hardest part came like 4 days ago when when we changed to the Cyvex control unit and we figured out that some issues were still in the engine. So that took camshaft adjuster were still broken. So the car should have been ready on Monday, and now it's Thursday 4 a.m. in the morning. And now the car is officially, I don't want to jinx it, but the car seems to be finally finished. We had some issues with the alternator now the last 2 hours. Yeah.
The last 4 hours.
4 hours.
For you maybe 2 hours because you slept.
Okay, really quick story. It's 2 in the fucking morning and look what happened. The car was done already. It was completely built together, everything. Wo ist die Sau? This screw basically, yeah, this one here. This screw of my alternator basically just locked itself up and
normally it's plastic.
Yeah, it just melted onto the ear. So my alternator got fucked. My car was not charging the battery anymore and it died all the time. So after rebuilding this, they took out the supercharger again, took out the alternator, and we're very lucky because Mani has one more alternator here, spare, and we're gonna put that here and hope that it works then. And I'm gonna go to sleep in the meantime because I have to drive 3 hours back home afterwards. So.
I stay here.
Hey, hallo, macht es gut. Licht. Well, yeah, and now we were running out of time because we have a dyno appointment tomorrow in the morning, and or like today in the morning, in like 2 hours, 3 hours. And then after that, my car gets loaded up and it goes to Finland, where the big testing begins. And also my RS4 is joining us in Finland, so that's gonna be amazing, and some other E90s and whatever. But yeah, car is running now.
Let's get it on.
First things first.
We have one surprise left.
First things first.
We have one surprise left.
Was denn?
Yeah, Wo ist denn?
Also,
Dass du im Straßenraum mit
okay. Really quick. I was trying to sleep. You saw it, and I parked my T-Rex in the ditch, and I can't get out of there.
That's our car to get home.
Okay, first things first, really quick. What broke on my engine? You saw it. What broke on the engine? What was the issue? Okay, wait. I kind of know what the issue was. The issue was that I'm a fucking retard, and I drove this car like so many times.
Let me show you. Wait.
Okay. I drove this car so many times on the German Autobahn, like going 320, 330 kilometers per hour, and then something changed. Something big changed before we did the video with Ule, and this big thing is that I got a new rear differential, which means that my car's top speed was now not 320 anymore, but more like 290, and I kind of forgot about that and just basically over-revved my engine, and then my engine said bye-bye. Ah, okay. So my old engine parts, some of them at least, or those last 48 hours, amazing.
So you ask, where's the problem? The problem was here. That was a problem. Number 3 or what? You can decide. Number 2, number 3. What's next? Or should we guess? Number 8. Everyone. Yeah, the issue starts at cylinder 3.
And it just continues on through every fucking cylinder.
Yeah, that's not so bad, but this also. Yeah, every cylinder. The problem is the M3 engine doesn't have a knock control.
But now with the Civix unit, which is back here, we have knock control.
Yeah.
So
This will never happen.
Can you describe the knock control? Because some viewers maybe don't.
Wenn's klopft, dann hört auf.
Ja, bei der Tür oder was?
If the engine, for example, is running too lean, the engine will knock. And knocking on the piston is dead.
The knock sensors are on the engine, on the outside.
Yeah.
When they have the difference because of the vibration is a little bit
Exactly.
off. That is the knock sensor. I'm an engine builder now.
Mechanic learning with both monies.
Now the engine have knock control, and this will never happen.
Perfect. This
So
engine looks, by the way, so beautiful right now. Oh, die Lampen ist auch sogar, ich glaube, ich spiele. Okay, to get things straight, what's in my engine now? Because this is not a stock engine anymore.
No.
Everything has
Everything
been
is,
reinforced.
Billet, steel liners in the alloy engine block.
So if something breaks, we
Forged
can just take out the steel liners, basically. Forged pistons. Engine looks amazing. This gold is matching perfectly with the brake calipers. It looks very beautiful.
rods.
Carrillo rods.
Everything.
How much can this engine handle now, theoretically?
900 to 1000. It depends on the supercharger.
So the supercharger is
whole
the
system,
only
but
restriction right now.
The engine can handle enough.
So yeah, I think this should be perfect for Finland. We have some more work to do. We're gonna go to the dyno, like I said, in a few hours. We're gonna take a quick rest now, and then it's dyno time, and then we're gonna we're gonna get a software on the car. Obviously, we have to tune everything, and then everything should be running again. And then car gets loaded up and goes off to Finland, which is gonna be amazing. So I guess I see you guys at the dyno station.
Ja, ich will auf den nichts mehr sagen.
Gute Nacht auf, bis dahin noch Jungs und Mädels.
Now see you tomorrow at the Dyno station.
Today in
Today, exactly. Today, man. Today.
At the train station.
Okay, really quick before we have to pull up my T-Rex to the ditch, but really quick before we finish the segment, Marty, you are such an amazing person, and this is fucking great because I can't stress this enough. This guy has been through hell with this car. And also, this is not the first time because I actually bought this car of you. So you owned it before me. You set up this car. You saw me break it. And now you fixed it again. So this car and you're basically one piece now. You belong to this car. Yeah. You guys have to see it in person. This engine and the whole inside of it, it's amazing. And it sounds even better. And oh yeah, I think we have to turn it on for you. I already heard it. It sounds...
Should I turn it off?
We also have a new exhaust underneath it. Of course you have to turn it on really quick.
4 o'clock in the morning. Okay.
We also have a new exhaust which Mani did a custom job. It's completely titanium, so you're gonna love it. Wieder bist du, oder? Ah. Back in business officially now. Back in fucking business. Get ready for the dyno because it's gonna be amazing. This car sounds crazy. One of the loudest cars I have right now, and you're gonna see in a minute why I say this. Yeah, so we've arrived at the dyno here. My car's already.
Wir sind schon seit 4 Stunden da.
Yeah, that's right. We've been here for the last 4 hours because they have been mapping the car. They tried to get it running properly because we have the Cybix control unit in the car now. We're gonna see how it works now, how it runs. We should be pretty much done for today. We sadly have some time management issues, so it's only so to say low boost, I would say.
Yeah, kind of.
We'll see how much power it's putting out with the system. Also, we can do some smaller things afterwards. After we get back from Finland, we can do like, you know, launch control. We can do rolling anti-lag. We can do
pit limiter,
all kinds of fun stuff. Thanks to the Cybix. Let's get this done, and then we should be good to go. I really nervous. I only heard like 2 times because I was out doing some other stuff. But those 2 times I heard the car running, it's just.
The other stuff was getting an iPhone cable
and pizza.
and the pizza.
You wanna see how he ate his noodles?
Ja. Wir Höhlenmenschen nehmen schon. Seit 3 Tagen umsonst verlernt.
Unglaublich. So after we get this finished, we're gonna put the spikes on the car, put the lights in the front, and then we see each other again in Finland.
That's the next video, I guess.
Next video, yes.
What's next? The dyno run for the...
Dyno run, one last test drive outside, see if everything's working like it should, and then the big testing begins in Finland, I would say.
Gottes Willen.
So, dyno runs, let's go. I'm so nervous right now. This is gonna be amazing. Oh, this car, I'm so happy that this car is now finally back and running like it should. I hope you guys can even understand me because this is probably right now the loudest fucking car I own. It's crazy. You're gonna hear it in a minute. love this guy. And also, shout out to E90. Oh, Mani, honestly, I think you guys did not hear what I was saying because it's so loud in here, but this is just
crazy.
perfect. We made like 580 horsepower, by the way, so there's lots of room for more, but like I said, we're running out of time, so we're just happy that the car is running again, and honestly 580 horsepower is already pretty good for Finland.
It will survive Finland.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Also, yeah, like I said, should be able to handle like 800 horsepower with this current setup. Maybe even more if we take another supercharger onto it, but I think that's gonna be pretty good for summer. Can't wait to rip this car around in the mountains. Money, we're back in business.
I love it, yeah, I love it. I'm really happy that the car is running again. It's really amazing.
Yeah, I think we can be happy now. Finally, all the questions have an end. When my E90 is gonna be back again. It's officially back, and you're gonna see it the next time in Finland, which is gonna be next week, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna probably test it out in Finland. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Let's just hope that my spikes are gonna fit under the car. Kind of think it's gonna be a problem, but we're gonna make it work. Guys, I'm so delighted and so happy right now. Delighted because the car survived all the dyno testing, which is a huge strain for the car, and happy that it's running like it is. Because trust me, it's one thing in the video, but it's a completely different thing if you hear it in person. This is hands down probably the best sounding car I own right now, maybe next to the R34, and it's so incredibly loud, but it's a nice loud.
I'm happy that the few days are now over because today
it was
a
crazy.
little bit struggling with the
Not only
truck
today, the
driver.
last 3 days, or actually last few weeks for Mani were absolute horror for both of them.
Yes. And we are sitting at home and
Waiting until the car is finished, but they did all the work, so shout out again. They did it in a pretty short time and did a fantastic job, like you can see. So I hope you guys are as happy as me, and I'm gonna see you guys again in Finland, I guess.